In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Shift Tab overlay on Steam. Many gamers prefer to have an uninterrupted gaming experience, and disabling the overlay can reduce distractions and potentially improve performance. So let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to open your Steam app. This can typically be found on your desktop or in your Start menu. Launching Steam will bring up the main client interface where you handle all your gaming needs. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on Login. This button is easy to spot on the upper right corner of the Steam window. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your account details, including your account name and password. These should be the same credentials you use to access your Steam account regularly. After entering your login information, click on Sign In. This step will take you to your Steam homepage where you have access to your game library, community features, and the store. With your account successfully logged in, focus your attention on the top menu of the Steam window. Look for the word Steam located in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on it will bring up a drop-down menu. Now in this drop-down, you'll want to select Settings. The Settings menu houses various options that allow you to customize and control your Steam experience. Inside the Settings window, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. Locate and click on the In-Game tab. Here you'll find all the settings related to the in-game overlay and other related features. This section is crucial for adjusting how Steam behaves while you're playing a game. Now, the main reason you're here, turning off the Steam overlay. Look for an option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. This option is typically enabled by default, which means that the overlay will activate when you press the Shift and Tab keys during gameplay. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box next to this option. By doing this, you will successfully turn off the Shift Tab overlay. And there you have it. You've now disabled the overlay feature in Steam. This simple adjustment can lead to smoother gameplay sessions without the interruptions or distractions of pop-up notifications from friends or game invites. Whether you're aiming for a more immersive gaming experience or trying to squeeze out a bit more performance, turning off the overlay is a great step towards achieving that. Thank you for following along with this guide. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your gaming setups. See you next time.